Welcome to this new HEFLO training video. Today, we'll discover how to import BPMN processes and process landscapes into your HEFLO environment. HEFLO allows you to import BPMN files created in other modeling tools, as long as they use the standard .bpmn extension. You can also import process landscapes using .landscape files. This feature is useful when transferring content between different environments or reusing work from other platforms. Let's start by exporting a process we've already modeled, reimbursement of expenses. In the Process Editor, click the Actions tab, then select Export BPMN to download the current version as a .bpmn file. Now let's do the same for a process landscape. In our case, the My Company process landscape, which will be exported as a .landscape file. Let's now switch to one of our test environments to simulate a real transfer. From the home page, click the plus icon, then select Import Diagram. Choose the BPMN file you exported earlier. At this step, you can adjust the process name directly in the displayed field before importing. Once you're done, simply click Import. HEFLO will open it directly in the Process Editor. You can now review and adapt it as needed. If you want to import a new version of an existing process, use the option Import BPMN within the Actions tab of the Process Editor. At this stage, you can choose to create a new version of the process using the imported file, so the previous version is kept for reference, or you can completely replace the current process version with the imported one. You can do the same with a .landscape file to import an entire process landscape. Now you know how to import processes into HEFLO and how to manage transfers of processes between environments. This feature helps you save time by reusing processes and diagrams already created in HEFLO or imported from other tools. Thank you for watching this lesson, and see you in the next one.